Welcome to 137 Hunters Grove Drive. This awesome 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story townhome with luxury vinyl plank hardwood look flooring throughout downstairs and granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms. It's located in the Harbison Grove gated community in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to the Harbison area, dining and shopping, as well as I-20 and I-26. We're out front. See, the unit has 2 marked parking spaces, 137 out in front. You have a covered front entry out here as well. Some nice detailing with the metal roofing and the cedar out there as well. Then you also have a covered front porch here, or entry. And then as we step inside, you will notice the LVP hardwood look flooring throughout the open floor plan main living area. Stairs going up to the 2nd level with the bedrooms and 2 full baths there. But inside, we have a small entry foyer area off the front door. And a couple of things over here. There's a window looking out towards the front porch, but you also have on the front side of the property the full-size laundry room, which has full-size washing and dryer connections, a shelf above. It's a nice size. It sort of doubles as a mud room as well. And then sort of tucked in an alcove here, you have both a half bathroom or powder room with a pedestal sink, nice lighting, and a commode back there. And then also a coat closet here in the entryway. Nice high ceilings throughout the main living space as well. So you have the living and dining space all sort of open. On this wall you have some pre-wired and pre-mounted components for placing a television, possibly. And then you can see the dining room. You have one of those nice Sputnik style lighting fixtures in there. Open island in the center with the bar seating. And again, the granite countertops and white cabinets, as well as stainless steel appliances. You have a refrigerator, smooth top electric range, above range microwave. And in the island on the far end there is a dishwasher. Nice glass tile backsplash there as well. And then also tucked beneath the stairs you have some pantry space, sort of a small walk-in pantry, so that space is well used. And before we go upstairs, we'll take a quick peek out back. Again, apologize for the light here, it's pretty bright day out, but you do have a patio, covered patio space right off the back of the property. It sort of faces out to some shared area back here. We also do have a really nice size storage area that's lockable. You can have high ceilings in there. There's also a convenient water shutoff, as well as the breaker panel for your electrical system. Nice space out here, nothing too complex. Also in the neighborhood, I believe the common area maintenance, I believe it's taken care of by the HOA. I'm going to check with the office on that, but should be pretty low maintenance as well. So on up the stairs to the 2nd level. Carpeting starts here. And then you have 2 bedrooms upstairs. There's a linen closet in the middle between them. Go ahead and knock that out, as you can see here, but good shelving in there. So you have 2 master style bedrooms, or master suites essentially, one facing rear and one front. This is the rear facing one. Both have pretty much the same layout, just mirrored, I believe. And you can see a nice large closet, sort of a shallow walk-in, but great space in there along that wall. And then you have a full bathroom in each with a tub shower. See the commode back in an alcove there, and then you have a single vanity, nice size countertop with the granite as well as tankless water heater and the control there. And then on the other end, you have another linen closet inside each of the bathrooms. And then across the hall, basically the same setup, only facing the front of the unit this time, and identical closet as well as bathroom, and again shower and tub. The granite countertop, nice size single vanity, commode, and linen closet on the opposite wall as well. So that completes our tour of this property. Again, the address here is 137 Hunters Grove Drive in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.